Hey everyone, Adam here with rodtrees.com. Just wanted to show you real quick how the 8-pack actually works and is installed into the boat. So basically what you have here, well, it's kind of nice because you can take the whole 8-pack out. Alright, so what we have here is just a regular seat pedestal with nothing in it, obviously. And when you order the 8-pack, it comes with an installation kit, or you can add the installation kit. And so all you have to do is you just drop it after you make the holes. You just drop the 8-pack in. Take your 2 knobs. Screw those bad boys in. Tighten it down so it doesn't go anywhere. And now we're ready to rock. We get a lot of questions about the 8-pack and how this installation goes and how it works. So we just wanted to make a quick video to be able to show everyone exactly how this thing gets installed. But again, if you don't have a tap and a drill bit, you can add the installation kit to the 8-pack, and we'll ship that out with you with everything else that you need to have this installed. But all right guys, take care, and that's another video from rodtrees.com.